So if you take a step it like so, I only need to go up 2 on this, but I just literally do that. Then that one I'm not going to touch. I'm just going to skip to this one to show you maybe a little better. But all you do is you drill it a couple stages. You want to keep going until you can slip that rivet in nice and smoothly. Don't go too big, so make sure you're checking it. And then if it's a tiny bit big, that's fine, but if it's snug, it's best. Now there's a good chance you don't have a rivet nut gun. So if you don't, you just need an M8 screw or bolt, whatever you can get your hand on. And then see this nut here? You don't want it to be an M8. You want it to slip nice and freely like so. Once you see that this slips nice and freely, you notice I have a washer here and washer here. That's so it can just spin up nice and tight. And then after we do that, just threaded it in like so. Then you're going to be pushing this in with your driver, but you're going to want to put this like so. And we can see the rivet is flat. Take your driver, you're going to tighten it up, then loosen your screw. Wiggle it. If you see that the rivet is still loose, go for it. Whatever you do, don't over tighten these. So you want to just go until, like I said, it doesn't wiggle and it sits nice and flush. Once you've done that, it's pretty easy. Just hand thread in all your Rivnuts, and then after that, torque them down. Don't go too crazy with this one, so like get them nice down. Obviously you want it to go down, but don't start He-manning, of course.